Fortico is the leading brand-independent strategic partner to the heavy off-highway equipment and marine industries, offering technology, vehicle cabins, steel fabrications, and vehicle assembly. Fortico Group has operations in multiple European business sites and technology hubs, which are supporting our global customers. We benchmark ourselves to the automotive industry and standards to secure maximized value add for our customers as a true Tier 1 partner. We have the right quality, the right delivery accuracy, and the right price. Together, we want to reshape the way things are produced. For the durability and reliability of off-highway equipment in material handling, construction, forestry, and mining industries, it is vital for the machine to be based on a rigid and reliable backbone. Fortico's factory in Narva was established in 1947, and it has a long experience of the manufacturing of steel structures and components. Narva is a border city in eastern Estonia, with good connections to Europe, Scandinavia, and Russia. Fortico Estonia is the largest manufacturer of steel fabrications for the off-highway industry in the Baltic states. As every customer has unique requirements and every product is different, project management capabilities are an important success factor for customers. Fortico Estonia believes in a solution-seeking mentality, strong leadership, high motivation, and employee well-being. More than 500 highly motivated professionals are focusing on development and production to serve our world-class customers globally. Fortico Estonia uses over 10,000 tons of high-strength steel yearly, combining prefabrication, welding, machining, and surface treatment under one roof. Our manufacturing process starts with prefabrication and covers sawing, laser, and plasma cutting, as well as bending and straightening. Welding is our key competence. Our technology is based on MAG, TIG, and SAW, and all the processes, and our welders are certified according to ISO standards. Robot welding is widely utilized to ensure productivity and high quality. Today, our automated 20 welding robots cover over 50% of the capacity in the manufacturing. We design and manufacture welding jigs in-house, which allows the optimal process and welding sequence for each different component. Our machining services cover boring, drilling, turning, and milling. We are continuously investing in new technology to ensure capacity and quality, and the reliability of our processes. Customers can select between wet painting or powder painting to finalize surfaces for components. Fortico Estonia also provides module assembly services for customers that require more advanced services for their in-house assembly line. We also offer full assembly and testing services for final products to be shipped directly to OEMs. When you need a reliable, customer-focused, and highly skilled steel fabrications partner, visit us and join our mission to create value add for our customers by reshaping the way things are produced.